He had everything: a loving father, a home, a future. But he chose to walk away. He chased freedom, pleasure, and a life without rules. And it destroyed him. But what happened when he came back will challenge everything you think about forgiveness. This is one of the most powerful stories ever told. The story of a son who lost everything. He went to his father one day and said something shocking. "Give me my share of the inheritance." In other words, "I don't want to wait for you to die. I want my life now." And instead of getting angry, the father let him go. The son left home full of excitement, money in his pocket, dreams in his head. At first, life felt amazing. Parties, friends, freedom. But slowly, everything began to change. The money ran out. The friends disappeared. The laughter turned into silence. Until one day, he found himself feeding pigs. Hungry, dirty, broken. He was so desperate. He wished he could eat the food meant for the pigs. Then, something hit him. He remembered home. He remembered his father. He remembered that even the servants there had food to eat. And for the first time, he saw the truth. I messed up. Not excuses. Not blame. Just honesty. So he made a decision. I will go back. Not as a son, but as a servant. Imagine the walk back home. Every step filled with shame. Every thought whispering, "What if he rejects me? What if it's too late?" But still, he kept walking. And then, something unbelievable happened. While he was still far away, his father saw him. And instead of turning away, instead of waiting, the father ran. Yes, ran. In those days, fathers didn't run. But love didn't care about pride. He ran to his broken son, wrapped his arms around him, and held him tight. The son tried to speak. "Father, I have sinned. I am not worthy." But the father didn't even let him finish. He called the servants. "Bring the best robe. Put a ring on his finger. Kill the fattened calf. My son was lost, and now he is found." No punishment. No rejection. Only love. This wasn't just forgiveness. This was restoration. This story isn't just about that son. It's about you. Maybe you've made mistakes. Maybe you feel too far gone. Maybe shame is telling you, "Don't go back." But this story reveals something powerful. God is not waiting to punish you. He is waiting to receive you. No matter how far you've gone, you are never too far to return. So here's the question. Will you keep running away? Or will you come home? If this message touched you, type "I'm coming home" in the comments. Share this with someone who needs hope today. And don't forget, grace is still waiting for you.